For the brief, I chose to create an interactive 3D and audio browser experience for a fictitious digital media company. My fictitious digital media company is called Learn Through Play, who specialise in producing intuitive, engaging and fun learning experiences targeted to primary school teachers and young children ages of 5 to 6 to use in the primary school setting. The digital experiences that Learn Through Play produces are required to be educational, engaging and fun, while striving to teach young children about simple topics in an engaging manner, with the secondary benefit of giving young students a foundation in IT skills and interacting with desktops. Learn Through Play's digital learning experiences would be an excellent tool for Persona 1 primary school teacher Gemma Smith to use to teach her Year 1 primary school class of 5 to 6 year olds. This is as interactions are fun, simple and engaging, and the information provided is in small bite-sized pieces that are easy for young children to understand and learn. However, Learn Through Play's digital learning experiences would be less beneficial for Persona 2 secondary school teacher Ben Owen to use for his secondary school class, as the simplistic interactions and low poly art style may be too childish for teenagers to find interesting. Similarly, the learning experience features simplistic bite-sized pieces of information which doesn't lend itself to more complex topics that Ben Owen would have to teach his secondary school students. Through my initial research phase, I was inspired by interactive portfolio websites made in Three.js that displayed information in fun and engaging ways, such as Joshua's World by interaction designer Joshua von Hoffen. I was really drawn to the way it displays information in an interactive, fun and engaging way, and wanted to explore producing an interactive educational experience that taught information about a topic simply and engagingly. When designing and making my 3D browser experience for Learn Through Play, producing an interactive learning experience that was tailored to the target audience of young primary school children was at the core of my focus. I focused on implementing simple, intuitive and easy interactions that young children could understand and engage with. I believe that I have achieved this successfully, with all of my interactions being triggered by simple mouse clicks over the objects and models in the scene. This is both simple, intuitive and responsive, which ensures that the target audience of young children can engage deeply with the interactive environment. When designing an educational, interactive experience for young primary school children, it was also crucial that the information was provided in small, bite-sized pieces with both visual and audio stimulus to help boost the understanding of the content to the children. This can be seen in my interactive experience, as I made a deliberate choice to include voice lines that I recorded and sound effects alongside the text that plays when an object is clicked. This helps the child to understand the content, as they can listen to the information be explained to them as well as reading it, while getting a fun sound effect and animation to keep them engaged. I also wanted to stick to a consistent low poly style with the models used in my interactive environment, as this cartoonish style appeals to young primary school children whilst producing a cohesive look for the environment. I will now show you the interactions in my digital learning experience. As can be seen when the code is first run, there is a menu screen with a play button and information about Learn Through Play and some clear instructions about how to interact with it. Once in the environment, you can click on objects to trigger fun and engaging interactions, which I will show you some examples of. Well done, you've clicked on a cow. A cow is a common farm animal. Cows also make milk that is often drunk by humans. Cows are vegetarian and mainly eat grass. Well done, you have clicked on a cloud. A cloud is actually made up of lots of small drops of water, which is why clouds make rain, as when there is too much water, they need to get rid of it by raining it out. The interactions in my interactive experience are handled using a raycaster, which detects the mouse position and where the mouse is clicked, and a series of if statements that checks if objects in the scene have been clicked and then displays text and plays voice lines, sound effects and fun animations. I am happy with the quality of code, as it functions as intended without errors and creates an engaging and responsive system of clicking on objects in the scene and playing relevant sound and visual stimulus. However, my code could be improved through being neatened with different classes for making visual assets such as the tree. My work could also be improved through the implementation of a loading screen, which would help ease the pop-in of visual assets when the code is first run. Overall, I am pleased with my interaction design, as I was able to implement simple, fun and engaging interactions that appeal to young primary school children, that feature text, voice lines and fun sound effects and animations, which all contribute to an engaging, fun and educational interactive environment, tailored to the target audience of young primary school children.